everybody. This is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Hey gems, we are driving in Clearwater, Florida. So I'm taking you along to Cheesecake Factory. Keep watching.
Let me take you out to eat. Let me take you shopping. Let's get it on and popping. Let me take you out and have some fun in the Florida sun. You know what I mean. Enjoy life with Marlene. Enjoy life with Marlene. Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun. Enjoy life with Marlene.
Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun.
Hey guys, it's Friday and I'm going into Cheesecake Factory with my sister. Come along.
Life with Marlene.
And there's my sister.
Nice. what are you drinking?
Strawberry daiquiri. When I tell you it's so good, it's slushy slush mug.
Slushy slush?
And do you see that strawberry?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Scraw. Yes. Let me get up close.
Looking good.
Looking good, girl. So what is this called? Indie Good. Yep, me and my sister, we cutting up really bad, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, my food came. I got a side of fries, okay? And then I got chicken quesadillas.
Nice.
And I also got a cherry coke. And then of course, you know, the breads.
The bread.
The breads. So can't wait to dig in.
And I got chicken parm with garlic mashed potatoes and a side of sauce. Yummy. Anything else you want to say?
Oh, I'm too busy being greedy. Shout out to the channel members, Leticia, Lara, Dave, Global Empire ENT Media, Boss Life Online, Sirius, Miss Nexie, Love Baby, Nate the Great Podcast, Suzama. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership.
Enjoy